Hello, mathematicians. Let's begin our lesson today by reading our we can statement together. Read it with me. We can describe, classify, which means sort, and sketch triangles. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. The sum of the interior or inside angles will always be 180 degrees. Any triangle, doesn't matter what kind of triangle it is, you measure the 3 angles and the sum, when you add them together, will always be 180 degrees. Let's classify the triangles we're going to study today. We have 4 different triangles: the right triangle, the equilateral triangle, the acute triangle, and the obtuse triangle. Let's take a closer look at each type of triangle. The right triangle is a polygon. One right angle. The right triangle has one right angle, and you can see that it is noted with our square corner. And remember, just like all triangles, the sum of the interior angles is equal to 90 degrees. Also remember that it does not matter which direction the triangle is facing or which way it is sitting. The triangle could be sitting like this on a different base, and this would still be a right angle, a perpendicular angle. Our next triangle is the equilateral triangle. Uh, The equilateral triangle is a polygon. All 3 sides of the triangle are of equal length, and you can hear the word equal, and you can see the word equal in the word equilateral. It's easy for me to remember this triangle because of the equilateral. All of the sides, the sum of the interior angles, is always going to equal 180 degrees. And remember, the triangle can be sitting in many different ways. It does not have to be sitting on its base to still be an equilateral triangle. Our next triangle is the acute triangle. As you recall, the word acute, when we're talking about an angle, means less than 90 degrees. So that makes remembering the acute triangle easy. It's a polygon. All the angles are less than 90 degrees. So when we take a look at the angles, less, less, and less. All of these angles are less than 90 degrees. But as with all other triangles, the sum of the interior angles is going to equal 180 degrees. And again, it does not matter which way the acute triangle is sitting. We can position it any way we want. It does not change its classification as an acute triangle. Our last triangle is the obtuse triangle. The obtuse triangle is a polygon. One of the angles is greater than 90 degrees. So when we take a look at the obtuse triangle, this is our obtuse angle on this particular triangle. Here's our obtuse angle on this particular triangle. All of the interior angles will always equal 180 degrees, but the obtuse triangle has that one angle that is greater than 90 degrees. Let's practice. Pause the video and quiz yourself. Think about which triangle matches which name. Were you correct? Lastly, in the lesson today, I would like you to sketch or draw each type of triangle for practice. And just for fun, maybe you can make a face or some kind of a cool design with your different type of triangles. Goodbye.